2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat SRT. Beautiful blue color. One of my favorite colors, actually. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got a factory X pipe. Then 3-inch, we did a resonator or mid-muffler delete, 3-inch, right there, right there. This is what comes on them. We took them off. Comes with a factory X pipe right there. And then he kept the factory mufflers. He's gonna bring it back in a couple of weeks. We're gonna do a full system on it. Right there, right there. We're gonna do a full MagnaFlow MagnaPack system for him. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2017 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, the symbol of greatness and speed. He's bringing it back next week. We're gonna put high flow cats on it. This is the one he did earlier. Still got the stock factory X pipe, 3-inch, with a 3-inch muffler delete or resonator delete. And we just did 2.5-inch muffler or rear muffler or resonator delete. And we ordered some black tips that's coming in. I'm gonna put on it. Let you guys hear it. That's what we cut off. On all of these, I go no beast mode. They like that when I say that online. Gotta show them. There you go. Beast mode. Yes.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?